Ang dali para sa aking sabihin that God is my provider kung bagong sahod ako. Pero paano kung nawalan ako ng trabaho? Can I still proclaim that God is my healer kahit hindi pa gumagaling ang sakit ko hanggang ngayon? At kung marami akong pagsubok na dinadaanan sa sandaling ito, masasabi ko pa rin ba that God is good all the time? It is easy to believe things that we see, but it takes true and genuine faith to trust and believe God for things unseen. Faith is trusting God when things are beyond our comprehension, beyond our control, capacity, and strength. Faith also allows us to fully rely and surrender to God's wisdom, His purpose, and His timing even in times of complete darkness. At kung nawalan man tayo ng trabaho o nagkukulang man tayo, ang pananampalataya ang siyang magbibigay sa atin ng katiyakan that God can sustain us and that God can provide a better opportunity for us. And if we are still sick, faith can give us peace and hope para patuloy na lumaban at hindi sumuko sa buhay. Dahil alam natin at nakakasiguro tayo na sa tamang oras, makakamtan natin ang tunay na kagalingan. Faith is the confidence that what we hope for will actually happen. It gives us assurance about things we cannot see. Remember that faith in God will not make things easy, but it will make things possible. So let's start walking by faith and not by sight. Stay blessed and continue to be a blessing.